Plate of wings as opposed to a steak that you'd get with like a full F1 race or Baja 1000 or Pikes Peak Hill Climb or Mid 4.